this is? But it's a bunch of horses lined up. Wait, there's no seatbelts?
No seatbelts! No seatbelts!
How? There's... you guys better hang on nice and tight.
Like the video.
No oh wait, I
Subscribe.
think these things come up and put us in.
Get notified.
This thing will lift up and go behind us. There's a black thing that'll probably lift up and keep us in here. Can I see Kane here too? Kane. Look over. Yeah, I can see Kane.
Hey everyone.
Are you guys ready for an adventure? Are you ready for an adventure? I'm ready to go all the way up there, then come back down and go back up there. God, I don't know.
God, I don't know.
I don't know, and I'm kind of scared at this point.
Me too. Oh, yeah. It's snowing. Daddy, look at me now.
Yeah? That's probably going to change.
No, no, no!
Oh, God. And it spins.
Wait, actually, yay!
Oh, God. I almost... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Oh, God. Oh. What? No. Oh! It's not getting your stomach? How is it it's not getting your stomach? No hands. How are you doing no hands? Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, okay, we're going faster. Oh, God. This is why? Are you scared? Okay, okay.
Like the video.
You got your hands up now.
Subscribe. Get notified.
I think it's starting to stop because we're not spinning anymore. How'd you like it? How'd you like it? Yeah. How'd you like it? Again. How did Mommy like it? She's way over on that bench. This one again?
We're back again, everyone. I hope you all had a grand adventure. For your safety, please
They want to do it again.
until the ride comes to a fully complete stop.
Can we stay on?
Okay.
Okay.
Please watch your
Thank you for watching.